Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to cancel Disney Plus subscription. So first, what you can do, you can cancel Disney Plus via your browser, by the way. So the first one is you can head to disneyplus.com on your device and then log into your account. And then just simply click on my profile in the upper right corner of the page and then click account. Then next is to select your current subscription type from the list. And then after that, under the billing section or under the billing details section, you will see your payment type and then the billing dates. So just click on the cancel subscription button under those details. So remember that you can always pause this video and take your time in doing this process. And then next, finally, you'll get the confirmation screen that asks if you are sure you want to cancel and when the cancellation will take effect. Just click the cancel subscription button again. So the next way is to cancel your Disney Plus on your iPhone. So to do the process, you can pause this video and then follow the steps flash on your screen. And then next is to cancel Disney Plus on Android. So just like the prior step, you can pause this video and follow the steps flash on your screen if you are using an Android device. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button to never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye.